Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, if you have a BMW E46, this is the 3 Series guys, and you're trying to find the fuse guys for your radio or your navigation screen guys, we'll show you which two fuses to check. We guys have more than 200 videos on a BMW E46 and most of the videos will work on the models from 1998 to 2006. So please guys, in return for all the work we do, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below, let us know what you think. So let us show you where the fuses are located now. Not all BMW E46 will come with navigation, but whether you have a regular radio or navigation, the procedure is the same and the fuses are the same. Ours guys, we have the business CD right here, BMW business CD. So let us show you now what we need to do. We need to open the glove box right here. Okay, drop the fuse box like that, turn those to the outside, drop down. This is guys your fuse box. So which fuses guys we need to check now? This is for the two fuses are for radio, navigation and onboard computer as well. One fuse will be guys on the top row, one will be on the bottom. The fuses for the top row are printed on top. The one on the bottom, you can find them kind of like stamped on the plastic on the bottom right here. It's hard for me to show you there. The first fuse that you need to check guys will be fuse number 7. Okay, fuse number 7, 5 amp fuse right here. This is one of the fuses. You grab the fuse puller, pull it out, check that fuse. Okay, this is a good fuse. You can install it. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement fuses, you can check out in the description of the video below to see where we get ours from. Really good price for the whole kit. Now, the next fuse guys that we need to check will be fuse number 41. This is the main fuse guys. 41 is the power fuse. Okay, it's a big fuse, it's a 30 amp fuse and I'm talking about this fuse guys right here. That's what we're talking about. This fuse there. So this one again, just grab it. Okay, pull it out and check it. Super easy to check. This is good. So if the fuses are good guys, probably you have a problem somewhere else. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. When you're ready to put it together, always put your fuse puller here because most people will lose that and you won't have it later. Close that box because if you don't, you can damage it when you close your glove box and you put extra stuff in it. If you want to see any specific repair or videos guys, please drop a comment below, let us know what problem you have and we'll try to make a video for your problem. So thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.